Is it sustainable to have an application where the transaction fee costs more than the amount of value being moved?
In this video, we're going to cover what is not only one of my largest crypto holdings as covered in this video, but also one of the largest projects in the entire crypto space. What's up everyone, and welcome back to Jayconomics. As of late, this coin has skyrocketed in price and reached a new all-time high over the past week, despite most of the crypto market going down. Yes, I'm talking about ADA, or Cardano. By the way, if you're looking to join an awesome stock and crypto community, be sure to check out our Smart Money Patreon. You're going to get the alerts that you need to gain an edge in the market. Early stage exponential ROI projects like these will be called out so you can get in before everyone else. So if you're interested in that, the link to sign up for the private Discord and Patreon is in the description, so be sure to check that out. And guys, if you could take a moment to just slap that like button real gently, please, that would be truly really helpful with the YouTube algorithm. I've been having lots of trouble sleeping lately because I've been thinking, what if people are watching my videos and not hitting that like button? So in doing so, you're gonna help me sleep better. And with better sleep comes better videos. So thanks for that, and let's get into it. Now I have covered Cardano in several other videos, but here's a little refresher. So Cardano is a decentralized public blockchain-based platform that is one of the first open-sourced and peer-reviewed networks in existence. Cardano is designed to be the platform of choice for the large-scale, mission-critical dApps or decentralized apps that will underpin the economy of the future. Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson launched Cardano in 2017. His goal was to create a fast and scalable blockchain. And thanks to its proof of stake, or POS, consensus mechanism, this has been the case. Proof of stake is also the system by which the miners in the Cardano ecosystem validate and mine block transactions. A stake is simply the number of coins, in this case ADA coins, that one holds, which also determines one's participation in the creation of new blocks. Cardano provided much faster transactions at negligible fees compared to its big brother Ethereum, but it lacked a key ingredient: smart contract capability, which is exactly what propelled Ethereum to a consensus number 2 in the crypto world under the juggernaut that is Bitcoin. Ethereum's transition into proof of stake has been postponed many times, which is very fortunate for Cardano because it leaves the space wide open for competition. Cardano's smart contract should be entering the Cardano testnet by the end of May 2021, so this month. One of the amazing things about Cardano is that it's one of the few that is separated into two layers that takes the best traits of Bitcoin and the best traits of Ethereum and combines it into one powerful one. Its settlement layer hosts the ADA tokens and tracks transactions among peers, similar to Bitcoin. The computation layer hosts smart contracts and decentralized applications, similar to Ethereum. Cardano's smart contracts are codenamed Alonzo. Its implementation has had a positive impact on Cardano's native token ADA, with the price at $1.36 USD as of this recording, which is down 31% today with this massive crypto sell-off. Their smart contracts are much more secure than Ethereum's, according to the platform. I believe once that they are able to implement them and prove this to users, Cardano is going to have another stage of growth and bring investors even more value. They are progressing through the stages of growth rather quickly, and I'm very happy with their progress as a Cardano investor myself. The Goguen era is one of the most important for us to track as it brings in the smart contract era. I believe that Cardano has plenty of room to grow. But do I believe that it will grow like it has in the past year? Well, it will take time, but ultimately, yes, I do. I do believe that it has lots of runway left in the long run. I've been in Cardano since 7 cents Canadian because I strongly believed in the project then, and I have been given no reason to change my stance on that because of the execution. Now, even though, as of the all-time high of this past week, I 40x'd my money, and as of right now, I have 30x'd. But even with this recent pop, Cardano is not something I'm looking to sell. Cardano has surpassed VeChain as my largest position in crypto. So yeah, ADA, VET, and as I've been talking about recently, FWT is my third largest. So long story short, I have not sold any of my ADA, and I don't plan to. Now, many experts in this space believe the price of Cardano was undervalued based on everything Cardano had going on, various projects in the pipeline, and 3 ready products already deployed in several companies. ADA price has exploded over the past couple of months, matching up to said experts' opinion that this coin was indeed undervalued. Coinpedia predicts that Cardano could reach a high price of $10 by the end of this year. Time will tell if that is the case for this year, but as an early Cardano investor, I could not be more comfortable with where things are right now.
And what we decided to do is rebuild the entire smart contract model. One, because it's not secure. And you can see that with billions of dollars of customer funds that have been lost because of insecure hacked apps. 2, it's not sustainable. Cost predictability, the high gas fees that applications have. You're a consumer experience guy. We're a consumer experience guy. You tell me, is it sustainable to have an application where the transaction fee costs more than the amount of value being moved? Person's moving $10 of value, costs $900 to move that. That's where the market standard Ethereum is currently at. And it's a non-trivial thing to move away from that without admitting some degree of centralization, which means the entire model needs to be rebuilt. Second, there are only 80,000 Solidity developers, and there are 25 million developers throughout the world who are .NET developers and Java developers and so forth. So how do we bring those people in? And how do we get them to use their tools and techniques and languages that they've written collectively trillions of dollars worth of software throughout the last 40 years into the Cardano ecosystem? So we had to rebuild that entire model and figure that out. And we brought some of the best people in the world, people who write programming languages for a living, like Philip Wadler and others who created the Haskell programming language and worked on most modern languages throughout the last 30 years. And now we're turning that system on with an aim to not only have it in place this year, but also pour over lots of great dApps that exist in Ethereum through something called the ERC20 converter. Last year, only 31% of new dApps were produced on Ethereum. 69% were not. So being the colossal network effect monster, the reality is that they're losing their steam. And not only that, most app developers, when polled, especially in the top 50, top 100, either have plans to be multi-chain or have already decided to start migrating to different chains because of cost and quality concerns while being on Ethereum. The first to admit this is Ethereum itself, which is why they're trying to rebuild their model for Ethereum 2. And that's like moving a cruise ship. So it's a dying monopoly in that respect, giving us plenty of time to do that. Despite the fact that we still haven't turned on smart contracts for the system, there's already actually dozens of DeFi applications that have come out, want to move into our ecosystem, or new ones that are being found in our ecosystem, which has well more than 1 million people.
Just do it! Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it!